Good morning students. Welcome to Pipasa Pathshala. Today we will write an English essay on the tiger. The tiger, ବାଘ. The tiger is a wild animal. ବାଘ ଏକ ବନ୍ୟ ପଶୁ ଅଟେ. It lives in deep forests. ଏହା ଘଞ୍ଚ ଜଙ୍ଗଲରେ ରହେ. It is a carnivorous animal. ଏହା ଏକ ମାଂସାଶୀ ପ୍ରାଣୀ ଅଟେ. Generally, tigers are yellow in color with black spots on its body. ସାଧାରଣତଃ ବାଘର ଶରୀର ହଳଦିଆ ରଙ୍ଗ ଓ ଚିତ୍ରିତ କଳା ଅଟେ. It has very sharp teeth and nail. ଏହାର ଦାନ୍ତ ଏବଂ ନଖ ତୀକ୍ଷ୍ଣ ଅଟେ. The tiger eats flesh of men and other animals. ବାଘ ମଣିଷ ଏବଂ ଅନ୍ୟ ପଶୁମାନଙ୍କର ମାଂସ ଖାଏ. Tiger runs very fast. ବାଘ ଦ୍ରୁତ ଗତିରେ ଦୌଡ଼େ. It is a very good hunter. ଏହା ଏକ ଉତ୍ତମ ଶିକାରୀ ଅଟେ. Tiger is the national animal of our country. ବାଘ ଆମ ଦେଶର ଜାତୀୟ ପଶୁ ଅଟେ. Tigers are very important for our ecosystem. ବାଘ ଆମ ପରିବେଶ ନିମନ୍ତେ ଅତ୍ୟାବଶ୍ୟକ ଅଟେ. This is all about the essay The Tiger. Thank you.